Hi everyone. Just waiting for a few more people to join in. Then we'll start. Yeah. Hi guys. Welcome to the kickoff of Whiplash IITR 2026. Super excited to be here. I am Saurabh. I am a 2021 graduate from Roorkee. I am part of Team Whip, which has four IITR alums. Actually, both of our co-founders, Samagra and Agam, are from Roorkee as well. They are from the 20 batch. We have been building Whip for about a year now, and I'm very stoked to be hosting this hackathon with you guys. I had participated in dozens of hackathons when I was in college, and now being on the other side of it, I can't wait to see what you all build. So, first, let's go over what Whip is. Uh, Whip is a YC-backed company, and we are building the new social media for mini apps. Think of us as Instagram for the next generation of interactive media. Here, you build what you want, and more importantly, you share it with anyone. You, the user, don't have to write a single line of code. Being able to describe what you want and having Web created for you has been the goal of our entire project, and we are very excited to bring it to life. Your creations are instantly shareable too. We handle all the hosting, the authentication, all the data management, everything. You just need to ensure your app is great and you share it in the right places. Our idea started from creating super personal software. Everyone has ideas, both utility based and entertainment ones, and we wanted to give everyone the tools to bring their ideas to life. Now, let's see app creation in progress. Okay. So, this is a screen grab of our creation flow. Here, you choose either build or plan mode. Once you choose the build mode and you give it a prompt, the agent just starts creating the app. Here, we are creating a simple to do list app with some categories. It starts processing. This can take a couple of minutes. It takes a couple turns, designs it in the best way possible. You can give it more prompts and describe what kind of design you want, and the agent will comply. All right. So here you will see that the app is ready. You can open it, choose categories and everything. So this is working. Next up, let's see. Now, once your app is created, you can share it with just a click. So here, as you can see, the app is ready. Once you click on publish, instantly the sharing flow will capture some screen grabs automatically for you. You can capture your own screenshots and upload them, but we do this automatically. Then you just name the app and share it. Once it's shared, it's live on our feed and other people can discover it. Moreover, you get a public link. You can give it to anyone, even if someone doesn't have the app, they can open it. And here, once you get this link, they can open it and they will be able to use your app. Here you can see this phone does not have Whip installed. You just click on the link, it goes to the browser, and since Whip is not there, it just opens the app on the web. So you create an experience, you create a game, you create a utility app, and people will be able to use it. Each one of the apps you create gets some metrics. People can like it, people can comment on it, and the views are also aggregated. So even if someone opens it from the web, all these aggregations continue to happen. Right. Now let's look at our feed. All right. If you have installed the app, you would have seen it already. But we have an interactive feed where once you scroll, you'll be able to experience the application the person has made. All right. So here someone has made a racing game. All right. You go left, right. I didn't understand the mechanics at first. Okay, we have to skip everything. Okay, skipping, and I died. All right. So here there was a leaderboard there too. Next, you see more apps being there. All right. One second. Let's see some more apps here. Right. So there are games here you can play. All right. This is the person's account. All right. A lot of experiences are there. Some have made funny apps, some have made stories. This is a mandala app, which I really like. Very simple, but creates very beautiful visuals. But you'll see that here you can only choose some points of sizes. So here, what I do is I try to remix it. Remixing is a feature where I use someone else's app and I want to make some changes to make it truly my own. So here I am giving it a little bit of a prompt. Let's add the ability to have a continuous slider for nib size, right? Uh, Now it will just start building, remixing it. This will take up to 5-6 minutes for you. I've forwarded it a little. We'll see some more apps till then. Someone made a YC Pixel Navigator. You can see the people from YC here. You can go around and meet them. This is also a cool app you can try. Right. And once you're done exploring, you'll see that, okay, this app is mostly ready. You edit it in chat and this should be ready now. Yeah. Okay. So let's see. And it's ready. So now you'll see that there's a continuous slider here, and this took around 5 minutes for me. So continuous slider, and you can change it to a really small size, which was not possible previously. So like this, you can go around, play with the apps on the feed, remix the ones you really like. Maybe some game is there which you really like and you want to add some assets to it. Then you can use this. All right. Okay. Now let's take a look at some selected apps people have made. All right. This is definitely not Doom, created by Indie. All right. All right. So this was definitely not Doom. In the chat, I'm seeing someone ask the question: Is orientation only online, or there is something in APJ also? No, the orientation is online only right now. You can head to APJ when the hackathon starts. All right. If you are second year and up, then you can head there. If you are in first year, then you can join there in the morning since you have some curfew thing. All right. So here you'll see this app is created. This was not created by our team. This was created by someone external. This is an indie game developer. He's been developing games for decades now. And he uploaded each one of these tiles you'll see, or the gun or the enemies you'll see. He uploaded everything. He brought it together. So everything was a PNG. He brought it together. He used 3JS. 3JS is a 3D library with which you can create a variety of 3D experiences or games. All right. And this is the final product. This is a shooter based thing, but you can create a lot of things like this. Okay, let's move on to the next one. This is a simple game. You would have seen this maybe on Instagram or something. So you'll see this. It's very easy to create experiences like this. These are very easy on the eyes, easy on the brain when you're using them. This also uses 3JS for all the animation work. Right. Another example of a 3JS game would be something like this slider. It's just a simple 2D game. You can do backflips, front flips. It has a good physics understanding. When you land badly, the speed slows down. The monster is about to catch you. So you can create experiences like this as well. Someone made Subway Surfers for the Harry Potter universe. So if you're a Harry Potter fan, this one is for you. So here you'll see they started from scratch. They created a pretty decent looking wizard, and you can basically play Subway Surfers. You have some power ups, trees and obstacles and everything. So this is pretty cool. All right. Someone made a Harry Potter trivia, and here you can. Let's go. What would you choose here? So this is an amazing questionnaire to get to know the house of Hogwarts you're in. You can create similar experiences from for other franchises. You can make even more in-depth ones. Now, moving away from games, let's look at some utility apps. We have a calorie tracker where you can basically add whatever food you ate. The AI will automatically basically give an approximate amount of how many calories, how much protein you had for that day. Uh, so this was basically a very simple app when someone created it, and then someone forked it or remixed it and made this very AI heavy with you can basically have a diet plan and everything. So remixing is a very strong part of our product, right? Here is another utility app. This basically tells you what amount of corpus you'll have by the time you retire if you save some particular amount of money every month, and say what will it be in today's money adjusting for inflation. All right. So here you can create graphs using D3 library. So we have support for that as well. You can create you can get data from a lot of sources. This is just pure creation data, so every data point is from here. You can get data online also. Our agent has the ability to search as well, so it can fetch data and create some beautiful graphics. I would really recommend you guys to play around with it. All right, someone made an AI companion as well. So this is Vela. Right, you can customize the personality if you're creating an AI agent. I'll show another example after this, which is another way you can use AI chat bots. Right, so this was Vela. Let's look at Loki and the face. So someone actually had the idea to create a podcast style of chat agent. So let's go through it. And it is not playing. It's okay. Next, we also have support for multiplayer. So here you'll see uh, phone one, it invited phone two, right? So here they have been invited to this treat tally app. All right. They'll see, okay, there is nothing pending. Okay. Nothing pending. Same for user one as well. Now you create some data entry, and the other person will also see it on their phone. So how this works internally is we have app instances. So once you need to add people to that instance. You would have seen the invite option. Once you invite people, then you can use multiplayer for a lot of kinds of apps. So it could be something like Splitwise, it could be a turn by turn game, right? So here you'll see multiplayer working. Okay. So in all the examples we saw, different capabilities were there. All right. So we have provided things like multiplayer. For gaming support, we have 3JS. We have AI support. So for all this, you need to use these keywords. So if you want AI chat, we also have AI image generation. So if you want apps powered by AI, you need to add these terms. So use AI chat or AI image generation. If you want your apps, if you want your game to have a leaderboard, so if you've played apps on web, you would have already seen this. But if you have, suppose, a running game and you have a high score based on it, so you'll get notifications also when someone beats your high score. To get that support, you just have to tell it to use a leaderboard. To add multiplayer games, just say use multiplayer. All right. Okay. So finally, this was Whip. Now let's come to Whiplash, our event. It's a 2-day no code build competition. Okay. We want to see the best apps that can come out of the campus, and the best app will get the best prizes. We have three categories here. We have best campus social app. We would love to see anything with multiplayer, which you can come up with. We want to see the best game, and we want to see the best utility app. You do not have to be limited by these categories. We will club the app you have into the best version it will fit in. You don't have to be restricted by them. We want you to create the best version of an idea that you can think of. All right. We will be judging on a couple of key metrics. First will be your idea. Idea can be, it could be a big idea, it could be a quirky one. What we want to see is something only you can bring to the table. Think for yourself and make something which means something to you. All right. For example, you go online, you see current trends, say you find the number of RTIs rejected in the last year, and make an awesome interactive app based on that. We highly recommend validating the idea you have before you start building it. Also, your app, it doesn't have to solve a problem to be great. All right. uh, your app could be based on entertainment, it could just be showing some information. All right. After this, after your idea, we want to see how well your app works. Does it handle edge cases? Is it interactive? How interactive is it? It can take upwards of 50 iterations to have a great app, so keep iterating. Finally, the most concrete metric we have is quantitative engagement. How many likes, comments, views, and save your app got. For this, you need to not only create your best work, but also market it well. To get the most users to use your app, you need to do a couple of things. You need to understand how marketing works. You need to drop it in group chats. You need to get your friends to use it. Post the app as much as possible, and try to get people to really use it. All right. Get feedback, iterate on it, make it better. Suppose if you made version 5 and you shared it with people and you got some feedback, after that you can go around and make version 6, 7, 8, and the views will keep aggregating. So it's not like you start from zero again. So the engagement metric is very important when we finally come out to judge, because it will really tell us what our consumer base really liked. All right. So coming to the prizes, all the three category winners will get AirPods, and the best overall will get the Meta Ray-Ban. Really excited to see someone use it and create some awesome videos with it. All right. All the four winners will get internship interview with Whip team for the next summer. All right. So now, if you have any questions, you can put them in the chat. If not, please join our Discord. You can ask questions there. If you have any problems, we'll be here 24/7. Uh, we have booked rooms here. APJ AKB 003 004 005, Friday, Saturday, Sunday. You can go and build there. Submission deadline is on 10 a.m. on Sunday. All right. Here is the link. You can scan this. You can submit here. All right. This is a Google form. Just post the app link. I think Parth Kapil has asked this question. I think first years have some curfew right now. The MDG and ECEL teams were telling. So that's all right. You can come to the LHC tomorrow and start working there. Till then, I would say firstly, explore the feed, see what kinds of apps you like, what kind of ideas you're getting based on it, and then you start building. All right. I will see you all on Sunday. I'll be coming in the morning, and around after the submission closes, it'll take us a couple of hours to judge, and then we'll have a presentation around 3 p.m. After that, we will have some shortlists, and we'll have some presentations in the LHC itself. So based on that presentation, we will have our final winners. All right. I'm not seeing any more questions, so I'm ending the stream here, guys. All the best. If you have any questions, you can reach out to me, or you can reach out to people from MDG or ECEL team. All right. Submission deadline is 10 a.m. on Sunday. You can build the app from anywhere. You can build it from your room. You can build it together with your friends. You can do a submission as a team also if you want. But we will recommend you submit individually. All right, because the prizes are also like AirPods. How will you share it with the team? All right. All right. If okay, Vikash Kumar is asking if we don't know coding. So our platform is a no coding platform. What we really want you to do is ask it what you want to build. It will build it. It will get maybe 80 or 90% of the way. You will have to guide it a little from there. You can upload, suppose, a guiding PDF there, and it can read it. You can upload some images for it to understand things, and it will read it. All right. So on the left, if you haven't downloaded Whip, this is the Whip link. In the center, this is the Discord link, and on the right is your submission link. I will update the YouTube description also, so you can have the submission link there also. All right. All right, guys.